What if I told you that two people earn the same salary, but after 10 years, one becomes a millionaire, while the other is still struggling to pay bills? The difference isn't luck, it's one financial habit. And if you skip this video, you might make the same mistake for the next 10 years. Stay with me till the end, because the last lesson could completely change the end. Because the last lesson could completely change the way you think about money. Every month, millions of people receive their salary. For a few days, they feel rich. Then the bills arrive. Rent, groceries, shopping, EMI, subscriptions. And by the end of the month, the bank balance is almost zero. Now think about rich people. Do they earn more? Sometimes yes. But the biggest difference is this. Rich people don't just work for money. They make money work for them. That's the mindset that changes everything. Imagine two friends.
Rahul earns 50,000 rupees per month. Aman also earns 50,000 rupees per month. Rahul spends first and saves whatever is left. Aman saves 10 years later.
Rahul is still waiting for his next salary. Aman owns investments that generate income even while he sleeps. Same salary, different mindset, different future. Most people think becoming rich means earning more. That's only half the story. The real secret is keeping and growing your money. All amount invested regularly can grow over time because of compound growth. Imagine planting a tiny seed. You don't get a tree overnight, but if you keep watering it, one day it becomes huge. Money works the same way. The earlier you start, the bigger the result.
Rich people avoid one dangerous habit: lifestyle inflation. Every time income increases, many people immediately buy a better phone, expensive clothes, or a bigger bike.
Rich people often increase investments before increasing lifestyle. They buy assets first, luxury later. That's why wealth keeps growing. Remember, money isn't about showing others
That you're rich. It's about creating freedom. Freedom to spend time with your family. Freedom to travel. Freedom to say no to a job you hate. The journey doesn't begin with lakhs, it begins with one smart decision. If this video changed the way you think about money, hit the like button and tell me in the comments, what's the first investment you want to make? And remember, don't work only for money. Build a life where your money works for you. See you in the next video.